Hi everyone, this is Judy and we are here at Shangri-La Mactan Cebu. Yep, we are checking in for just an overnight stay. You know what? I really like this wall. It's very nice to the touch. So I'm gonna tour you around Shangri-La. I'll see you in a bit. What's that? Oh. Out and below. 4 years old kape naman siya.
Whoa! Very good. Eh? Was it nice? Was it nice? Yeah. Very nice? Scary.
Okay, there. Nice greenery. Very nice grass. But oh, feel the breeze. Oh, it's so nice. It's the entrance. What is this? Yeah, that. Okay. Yeah, this one. It's an infinity pool. I think that's it. Hello. It's a mini golf course, rules and regulations that you need to follow. Let's go here. Oh, this is the Wall of China. And Paris, and Singapore. That's so cool. Singapore, I miss you, Singapore. This is Jose Rizal. This is the San Juanico Bridge. This is the what? Here is, I don't know what this is. Rose. Yeah. Magellan's Cross. What is this? Okay. You know Lapu-Lapu because I am from Cebu. What is this? Corned beef. Bacon. Penny pasta. Noodle soup. Cheese cream. Onion roasted ham. Bacon. Sliced bread. It's the sushi. Cereal. Mascarado. Latik. Oh. Ito. Pansit. Fish. Fried rice. Okay. Hi. You wave your hand, babe. 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 You do like that, babe. Jump.
Look, Mama. Look, Mama.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hulog! Ala, nahulog! Glug!